Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a hot sausage cheese dip. But before we dive into our recipe, I really wanted to give a big thanks to everyone for helping to support my channel. So your support does mean the world to me, whether you're trying out the recipe or just leaving comments on the videos. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's grab our ingredients and our aprons and let's make some hot sausage cheese dip. So for our hot sausage cheese dip, you're going to need the following: Italian sausage, chorizo, chicken broth, shredded cheddar cheese, shredded mozzarella, grated Parmesan, 1 to 2 jalapenos seeded and diced, 1 block of cream cheese softened, milk, all-purpose flour, Dijon mustard, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is get our Italian sausage and add this to a large skillet which has been heating up over a medium-high heat. And we pull off the paper. And then we're going to cook this till it's nice and brown. And then once that's done, we're going to move it and set it to the side and move on to our chorizo. So now that our sausage is done, we're going to cook our chorizo. And get all of this out. There we go. And then now we're going to cook it down just like we did with our Italian sausage. So now that our chorizo is done, what we need to do is we are going to add in 1 cup of chicken stock or broth, whichever one you have. And also, if you want, you can use beer in place of the broth. And now we're going to add in our 1 block of cream cheese, and we are going to break this up and cook this till it's all combined. And of course, just as I'm working on something, everybody wants to talk. Alright, so our cream cheese and our broth are all nice and blended together. So we're going to turn our heat down a little bit. And now we are going to add in our cheddar cheese, and this is going to be 2 cups or roughly 1 bag. And then we're going to whisk this together till it's completely smooth. So now that our cheddar is completely blended in and smooth, we are going to add in 1 cup of mozzarella. And we're going to do the same thing. Once this is completely melted and smooth, then we're going to add our next cheese in. So now that our mozzarella is all smooth and blended in with our cheese sauce more or less, we're adding in half a cup of grated Parmesan. And we're going to mix this until it's completely smooth. Alright, so everything's all blended together. So to this, we are going to add in a half a cup of milk. Give that a whisk, and we're going to take it a little slow. There we go. Then we're going to add in our flour. And our mustard. jalapenos. Get this all blended here. And we're going to add in our garlic powder. Our onion powder. And paprika. And we're going to get this all mixed up. And then we're going to let this cook for just a few minutes. Alright, so everything's all mixed up, and I ended up adding about another cup of milk to this because I found that it was just a bit too thick. So now we're going to add back in our chorizo and our Italian sausage. Get me a spoon or ladle, not a ladle, but you know what I mean. Alright, and we're going to give this a good mix. Get everything incorporated together. And then we're going to let this continue to cook for about, let's say 5 minutes, and then we're going to serve it up. So this is all set up and ready to go. And normally I would plate it up into its own separate little dishes, but I don't think I can wait for that. And plus we want to dip it right out the pot anyway. Whoop. Love this dip. The Italian sausage, the chorizo, the jalapenos, and the smooth cheese. Oh, it's really good. I'm gonna have to try and not eat all this at one sitting. So I hope you really do give this recipe a try. It's a great recipe for game day or any type of party. So, and it's really easy to make. So, as always, I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell for more cooking inspirations and videos. And until next time, enjoy cooking in the kitchen while I keep eating some of this cheese dip.